Hello guys, today I'm gonna be talking about why you should hire a video brand manager for your brand. Hello, my name is Priyank Batra and you are watching Priyank.tv. If you are new to these videos, then consider liking the Facebook page, or if you're watching it on Instagram, follow the channel, follow the page, follow the profile, and you can also subscribe me on YouTube. Today I'm gonna be discussing about 4 points. These 4 points why you should hire a video brand manager or a brand manager for your brand. So let's get into these 4 points right now. First thing is equipment. See, we all know that nobody have $5,000 camera. No brand or new brand or a startup doesn't have this much amount of money to buy all the equipments. So whenever you are hiring a video brand manager for your brand, you will definitely get all these equipments because the video creator will come up with all the equipments. The second point is technical. Okay, for example, you must be having a camera and you want to make a video but you don't know how to edit the videos. It's very important to edit the videos in the right format, because if you're uploading it on YouTube, there's a different format. If you're uploading it for Facebook, Instagram, there's completely different format and the sizes. So that is why you would hire a video brand manager for your brand. So let's talk about the third point, which is execution. So now you have made your video, you have the equipment, everything is there, but execution of the video is really important. What format you have to upload and where you have to upload and when you have to upload, according to insight of your YouTube channel, Instagram channel and Facebook channel. Let's talk about the fourth point, which is very important for the vloggers. Nowadays people are coming up on the videos, they have the insecurity, which is the fourth point, insecurity. This is the biggest fear. Guys. For me, fear is the antithesis of freedom. Antithesis of freedom means if you have fear, you don't have freedom. If you have freedom, you don't have fear at all. So don't fear and just start making videos, guys. It's very important for you as a brand or a vlogger, as a personal brand, to make videos online, because it gives a lot of impact to your customers or your viewer or your audience. So when are you starting your first video?